Hi, it's Gairu and welcome back to my art channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you are updated whenever I post a video. This painting is part of landscape series that I posted on Instagram. By the way, my other time-lapse and other artworks are posted on Instagram. I'm on IG as art.gairu and you can check the link in description box below. Watercolor is my favorite medium and trying out gouache is challenging because they have distinct approach when it comes to painting. But I'm happy that I managed to finish it. So in real time, this painting took me 5 hours to complete. I call this painting Wanderlust because I have this urge to travel and I wanted to go to different places, and I feel like I'll get to know more of myself by traveling, so hopefully I'll be able to do that. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!